Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make a coffee pour over. So what we need is some coffee, a pour over device, a paper filter, measuring spoon, and I'm using a measuring cup, and then we're going to need some hot water. When you're making a pour over, you want the water temperature to be between 195 to 205 degrees. I actually make it 205 degrees because I will then pre-moisten the filter, and it takes time to do those things, so that the temperature will probably be about, by the time I start doing the coffee, it'll probably be about 200. So this way it'll still retain the heat. So first things first, we are going to put our, if you can see here, I have my kettle. It's at 205 degrees. I'm going to just start that. There we go. And that will do its thing. Okay, so the water is at 205 degrees. And I'm going to place the filter in the filter holder. And I'm just going to rinse it with some hot water, just pre-moisten it. I use organic paper, but I do like to do that just in case if there's any like residual fibers, or to get rid of any type of paper taste, if there would be. And I generally haven't detected that even when I used the bleached paper, white paper, but in any event, I still do this. It's an extra step, but I like it. This is nice whether you drink coffee or you want to learn how to make coffee for someone else. It's always good to know, and a pour over is pretty easy, and you don't need a lot of gear, and that's important. So I'm going to put, it calls for, when you read directions, generally 2 tablespoons per 6 ounces. Now, this is subjective because some people like their coffee weaker, some like it stronger. And if you're having more coffee, like I'm going to make an 8-ounce cup, so I'm going to use a little over 2 tablespoons. So my tablespoons were a little heaping. And then what happens is we're going to pour some hot water in, just a little. We're going to let that sit and bloom, right? This way it'll release all those flavor notes and get into your cup. Again, there's many quicker ways to make coffee, but this is a nice, very easy manual way to make a cup of coffee. And coffee just drips down into the cup. And when it starts slowing down, you can add some more water. Okay, so we are just about done. This will be the last pour. And today I'm using a Starbucks breakfast blend. It's pre-ground, and the notes are of brown sugar and sweet orange. Most of the water is gone. All right. It's been filtered now through the coffee and is sitting in this cup here. And there's a little hole in the filter which you could kind of see, but I will lift this up and then you'll see my cup of coffee right there. And this looks pretty good. Absolutely. Oh yes, that looks very good. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.